Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can use ClickUp and how you can go with that platform. So let's get started. Let's get into it. First, you all need to know what is basically ClickUp. ClickUp is cloud-based work and project management platform that enables team to manage tasks, collaborate in real time, gain insights via reporting, and more. Businesses of all sizes use ClickUp to take control of daily tasks and projects in one place. So many projects management tool exist within the tech market today, including ClickUp. And according to ClickUp, the platform is one app to rule them all. As a fully featured product management solution, the platform helps team collaborate, manage products, set goals, and create and share documents. One of the key differentiation between ClickUp and other projects management platform is its ability to flex and scale to meet up the unique needs of various teams. For example, ClickUp can be used to project management teams to plan projects, track progress, and collaborate on action term. And for ID item, ClickUp can also be developed ID support and request and complete ID workflows through integration with GitHub and other platform. So now other teams will take features. Let me just go with that platform now. So first all you need to do is to go on Google and go on ClickUp, and once you do, you will see a landing page, the official page of this. Yeah, first we're gonna take a look and then we're gonna sign up with that platform. So now one app to replace them all, you will see a different structure over there. You can simply click on your email address and get started with that. Now let's see your work, simplify and get more done, and bring your ideas to life with your whiteboards, and bring all of your tools into one place. And if you're not already placed all of your tools, click up and cannot integrate with them, so you can just simply eliminate the busy work and focus on one matter with handed of automated automatically assigned task. And import it to the future of work with simple one click, instantly imports your work from other tools automatically. Get more work done whatever where you are. Build for your teams from 1 to 100%. You will see a lot of different options: criticize, plan and deliver, customize your workflows, collaboration on designs, manage creative workflows. So Clip has become such an integral part of your work by putting your work on ClickUp and organizing into sprints. We made it easy to work across department week without overloading ourselves with meeting and email threads. Just by Jacob, inbound marketing team lead. All right. So now 24 by 7 real time support the customer services. ClickUp has the highest rated client supported in software. We are 24 hours a day. That sounds good. Now, one after replace, I got told you already. Let me just simply show you how to sign up with that platform. Just simply click on sign up, enter your email address, and there we go. Get ClickUp. It will get you on their page. Now push into your email, play with ClickUp. We just email you. Let me just save that one. Let me check my email. 8315, and let's do it. Welcome Michael Pedro. Next. I'm happy so far. Choose your favorite color scheme. How many people are working with? Just me. No. What did you hear about that? TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube. Go YouTube. One import task, Aswina. I'm done. Play with ClickUp. So Stan, we are getting ClickUp ready for you. And boom. This is officially ClickUp platform. Once you sign up, it's look like this. Basically, go with that platform. You will see click here to open the task. You can simply different add different projects over there. You can create your workspace, you can add tasks, you can choose your members. So this is how you can go with that platform and sign up with that platform. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.